big. That's for sure. Well, we have Big Red over here. You probably don't know why it's called, but it's called Big Red. Well, our truck over there with our camping tent is over there. Big Red isn't our only remote control. There's also quite a few others. Where's that? Well, we have a few more. I'm gonna. There we go.
How's the dinner?
Dead. See nobody.
Sleep all the way through the night?
Yeah. I almost slept all the way through the night. To see what's in this moss
How are you gonna do that?
with a microscope.
What do you think's gonna be in there?
Tardigrades.
That'd be cool.